What's up, guys? JJCK Crispy opening up 3 packs of Magic cards today. Okay, right now I'm playing Castle Clash, but let's go ahead and open these up. Oh, right here. Oh, this is the wrong thing. Okay, here they are. Oh, there's another package missing. There we go. Okay, so here we got 3 packs of magical cards. So let's see which one should we open first. Let's go ahead and open this one first. Oh, hold on. I gotta do something on here real fast. This is Castle Clash, so if you want to join my guild, you'll see my name on the top, dirtchaseon.beep.com with my website. And right now, my guild is full, but let me see here. What the hell? Oh, this one just finished loading. I'll do that later. So right now, my guild, I got 4 applications right here. Right now I only have a capacity of 45, and I have 45 of 45 in the guild. So you can see here I'm the leader of this guild, 45 of 45. I need like 10,000 more merits, or 10,000 more of those little, to get the 0.5 guild, so I can get more people on there under my guild. What? No, what? I'm making food. Let's see here. You got claustrophobia. 6 feet of earth muffled his cries. Dude. Fog. I fear no army or beast, but only the morning fog. Our assault can survive everything else. What? Whenever I want. Brittle boar. Tell the cooks to prepare the fires tonight. We feast. Doris. It hurts more if you think about it. Damn. Coral Moorfolk. Striking silver. Kind of looks like Predator. You're too busy recoiling in fear to realize that it's already hit you. You're too busy recoiling in fear to realize that it's already hit you. Damn. You're too busy recoiling in fear to realize that it's already hit you. Seacoast Drake. Solemn offering. You will be reimbursed for your donation. The reimbursement is spiritual. quag sickness. The dread gases didn't kill Farbid. Oh man, I have to do part